How to freeze raw zucchini. The best frozen zucchinis are the ones you never knew were frozen. When you freeze zucchini the right way, a quick blanching, a quicker cool down and into the freezer ASAP, you don't have to worry about thawing them out in 6 months and getting a soggy mess for your trouble. That's because blanching and cooling stops the enzymes that make zucchini lose quality in cold storage. For best results, always freeze firm, blemish-free zucchinis at the height of ripeness, ideally within a day of their harvest. Things you will need: paper towels, heavy-duty freezer bags. Wash the zucchinis under cool running water and bring a pot of water to a boil. Set a colander in the sink. Cut the zucchinis into pieces at least ½ inch thick. It doesn't matter if you cut the zucchini crosswise into coins or dice them into cubes, but pieces smaller than ½ inch thick don't hold up well to freezing. Blanch the sliced zucchini in boiling water for 3 minutes, then transfer it to the colander. Run cold water over the zucchini until it's cold to the touch, at least 3 minutes. Drain the zucchini for several minutes, then place it in even layer on a tray or plate. Pat the zucchini dry with a paper towel and let it air dry for a couple minutes. Place the zucchini in heavy-duty freezer bags and squeeze out as much air as possible before sealing. Mark the date on the bags and place them flat in the freezer. Use the zucchini within 6 months for best results.